In OLT Web, navigate to the ONU page to access the ONU list, which displays information for all ONUs added to the OLT. First, you can select ONUs that need to be operated by the above filters, and the conditions of PON ID, ONU ID, PON SN, and running status. Add an ONU. Click Add to manually add an ONU for individual pre-authorization. In the demonstration, select the target PON port ID, set the ONU ID, choose the authentication mode. Fill in the PON SN, and associate the ONU with a policy based on specific needs. Click Confirm to add the ONU, and the newly added ONU with ID 7 appears in the ONU list. Once the ONU comes online, it will automatically receive the associated configuration policy. ONU Information Query and Management. Select an online ONU to access the detailed page. The page features a modular and visual design for easy access to relevant information. The top left section displays the current interface topology of the ONU, and hovering over icons provides detailed information. Below shows the service channel. And on the right side, optical power information, running status, and basic device information are presented. Management configuration options on this page. Re-register, change configuration profile, reboot, service configuration, device upgrade, restore to factory settings, and delete ONU. Change configuration profile. Support modify the ONU's policy to another policy, or associate it with a line profile, service profile, etc. Service configuration. Based on the existing ONU configuration, further adjust details according to specific needs. For demonstration, service channel, modify the user VLAN to 200. Service port. Configure the service VLAN to 200. Create one service. Additionally, modify ONU port configurations, multicast settings, IP host, Wi-Fi service, voice configurations, and TR069 service if necessary. Furthermore, in order to facilitate the query of optical power information of ONUs, we set up a separate page to collect all the parameters. Access the optical info in the left menu to compare optical parameters of all ONUs under the same PON port in a list format. Also support to explore additional features such as distance, operating voltage, current, and temperature.